Hello students, hello everyone. I welcome you all in the class of political science. Today we are having a chapter that is from the second book of political science, and the name of the chapter is Political Theory and Introduction. Let's do the first topic, that is political theory. What is political theory? We are having a two definition in this regard. According to J.G. Plano or R.E. Riggs, according to them, political theory is a body of thought that seeks to evaluate, explain and predict political phenomena. And if we are having a other view, that is given by Andrew Hilcher, political theory, according to him, it is a combination of disintegrate search for the principle of good state and good society on the one hand, and disinterested search for knowledge of political and social reality to the other. Now we will move to the next topic, that is the scope of political theory. So students, a full-fledged question can come to you like, what is the scope of political theory? So whenever you will get this question, you have to answer in points, and your points can be in this way. Like a first point you can make, state and government are the main subjects of political theory. We know this. And the second point you can make, study of power. Third, study of ideology. Fourth, it's a study of associations and institutions. Fifth, you can make like a study of rights and duties. Sixth point, you can make study of political parties. In seventh point, you can make study of scientific methods also. And eighth, study of human behavior. So by writing these 8 points, you all come to know that what is the scope of political theory. Okay, so we have discussed now the scope. Now we will move to the particular topic, that why do we need of political theory, why we need it. So whenever you will get this question, so answer can be, so we need political theory because it helps to understand political reality, and it simplifies the knowledge also. It legitimates the government and helps to resolve problems, whether they are citizen, rulers, leaders, etc. It requires political theory for the better functioning, and it also gives scientific explanation of all the political events. Let's students now move to the next topic, that is what is the importance of politics and what is the importance of political theory. If we talk about importance of politics, we know that politics has assumed great importance in today's life. It has become the synonym of power. In fact, politics is an art or capacity and capability to get power and authority. And it is one's ability to command obedience by influencing the people and by shaping and behavior of the people according to their design. Politics is an important and integral part of any society. If we talk about Mahatma Gandhi once observed that politics envelops us like the coils of a snake, and there is no other way out but to wrestle with it. So very good statement has been given by Mahatma Gandhi regarding politics. So now we will discuss what is the importance of political theory. So we can write lots of headings in this regard, we can make lots of points in this regard. So first point, if we talk about the major one, first point we are having, it helps to understand political reality. Yes students, political theory helps to understand political realities. It makes the study of facts and events easy, as it removes the illusions and superstitions regarding some event. Second is, it simplifies the knowledge. It converts the facts into symbols so as to make them easy to remember and define. Political theory legitimates the government also. To maintain the supremacy and influential classes take resources of political theory. Political theory encourages people also. Yes, it encourages people to use adequate means to fulfill their objectives and needs also. Political theory is the only means to balance political facts and events and study pattern and human values. It resolves the problem of peaceful settlements also. resolve settlements like states, its development, and other problems that hinder the growth of a state. Political theory is significant for each section of society. It provides the knowledge of the nature of political system and its various organizations. So political theory is very important in our today's life. Let's start the next topic, that is what is the modern view of political science. But before that, we will discuss after the Second World War, many important changes took place in the field of the study of political science. Modern political scientists have launched a protest movement against the traditional view of political science. And modern view of political science is very broad and comprehensive. It covers a wide range of political, social, economic, and cultural activities of a political man, and it studies all kinds of problems, conflicts, struggle for power, decision making process, leadership, political behavior, the politics of a caste and politics of a religion, etc. So all these things are going to be studied in the modern view of political science. So students, we have seen that modern view is more important than the traditional view of political theory, and we can have a 5 marks question also in this regard, like what are the main features of the modern view of political theory. So we know that first point we can make in this regard, it has a broader scope. Yes, the scope of modern political theory is broader. It not only studies the formal structure of government but also includes the political behavior, voting behavior, legislative behavior, judicial behavior, political participation, legitimacy, power, etc. And second, we can make a point like an inductive method. Yes, students, modern political theory is based on inductive method. It draws general conclusions on the basis of the study, analysis and explanation of events. And third point we can make like on the objectivity. Modern political theory was the feature of objectivity also. Its theories are based on scientific methods. And the next point we can make on value. Yes, a value-free study. The modern political theory provides for a value-free study. The theorists do not deal with the normative aspect of state and government, rather they study what is. And next point we can make a relation between research and theory. The modern political theory draws a relation. Yes, it draws a relation between research and theory. Theories can be drawn only on the basis of research. We know this. So on the whole, modern view of political theory is more important than the traditional view. Now we will move to the next topic, that what is the distinction between political science and politics. We have discussed a lot about these two topics. Now we will discuss their distinction. We know that the term politics refers to the current problems of the government. Politics is the practical aspect of political science, while political science is the academic aspects of politics. Political activities are the laboratories of political science. Political science is more of a science, while politics is more of an art. Political science is a subject which imparts knowledge about states and government. The political thinkers study situations, conclude them, and present principles. It depends on politics to implement or not to implement these conclusions and principles. Political science is a moral based, while politics is based on convenience. Politics is more flexible than political science. Political science shapes constitution, government, and social life in a synthetic manner. Political science clarifies the meaning of concepts such as freedom, equality, justice, democracy, secularism, and so on. And political science proves defecting from parties, making false promises and tall claims, manipulating different sections, and the significance of principles such as rule of law, separation of powers, judicial review, etc. And if we talk about politics, some people think that politics is as what politicians do. If they see politicians defecting from parties, making promises and tall claims, manipulating different sections, pursuing personal or group interest ruthlessly, and in worst cases stopping to crime, they link politics with scams. And so prevalent is this way, a way of thinking, that when we see people in different walks of life trying to promote their interest by any means possible, so we can say they are playing politics. So different people are having a different view about politics and political science.